I didn't get on your job. I can have it. It's midnight. Come lick him.
Pass it over.
Go back to it. Oh, that's good.
Now explain what is going on.
Try to move your feet. Well, I hurt my leg. I get the cat where it's nursing. Check this shit out. Look, put this on YouTube, motherfuckers. We got a dog licking a lollipop while it's getting his titty sucked. Fucking A. Look. Yeah, she's a happy bitch.
Thank you.
No, she's video cameraing it.
Oh.
Videotaping it. She's like, hey, yeah, hang on, man. I ain't done with that sucker yet.
Some more of that?
That's good.
You want some more? You better get some more.
You just,
Oh my God.
you just,
Jacking me up like you have it.
yeah, you was just getting comfortable with the titty licking. Hang on, Mama's she's going in for, oh, she's attached. Some bitch. Look at it. Kitty, 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 look at me, look at me. Look at that motherfucker, dude. Crazy fucking animal. What they wouldn't do for good pension.
Can you post that on YouTube on your phone?
You did.
Watch this motherfucker. Look at her, she's trying to bite the motherfucker in half.
Oh,
That's right.
just press the center button.
She said, hey, look, hang on, she's gonna chew this motherfucker up, boys.
Okay. She can't. What cricket go?
Oh, man, fucking on,
Here,
man.
Princess, you want some of that sucker? Get your bite. Get your bite. You want sucker?
That's still playing. You got quite a bit of it, 2 minutes and something on there.
See if you can post it on YouTube.